Barry Weiner. Enzo Biochem is up over 30% year to date, up over 70% in the past year. What's driving the stock?
We've had a number of successes both in our intellectual property endeavors as well as product introductions. We've also been seeing increased demand for our clinical products, our products that are being provided as services to the healthcare community, and this is all represented by our unique position in the New York regional market as one of the largest clinical labs in our area.
Well, let's start off by talking about that settlement you had with Affymetrix. I think you received about $5 million according to the resolution last month. Do you expect more to come? Because I don't think that's the end of that, correct?
That's correct. We have a very significant intellectual property estate which is being protected and litigated in many parties. We prevailed in a litigation with Affymetrix. We also prevailed recently in a litigation over Life Technologies, which awarded us about $62 million. We have 13 other litigations in process.
How does this affect your day-to-day running of the firm? It's easy to get caught up when you're dealing with those lawsuits. And does it take you away from your game when you're actually running the firm?
No, there are individuals that manage that part of the business. We manage and we drive the key operations. That's our forefront business. Litigation is an offshoot of the protection that is required for intellectual property. It is a core asset of any technology business.
Well, meanwhile, your clinical biz took a little bit of a hit this winter due to the harsh weather. Do you expect that to normalize now that we're in spring? I think we're in spring.
That business has normalized, and it's interesting. Even though we weathered the environment, no pun intended, well, we were able to produce quarter-over-quarter improvements in revenue even with the weather. We are seeing an improvement in that business. We are seeing a transition in the business going from our routine business to our more molecular high-margin product lines.
And you're also transforming your life sciences business. How is that going?
The life sciences business is changing to a clinical diagnostics business. We have a very unique product platform which is on the verge of introduction, which will allow low-cost molecular testing. It will provide margin improvement for clinical labs. It will provide a unique capability to do multiple testing from a single clinical specimen. So wrapping this all together gives us a very, very unique product to compete in a $3.5 billion marketplace.
And it's a very hot stock. Thanks for coming on, Barry.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching The Street.